Feels with those headaches. Real easy. Feels like you hold the world up here.
I do.
Good. Is there much tenderness on that fracture site?
Right a little bit.
In there
Right
or there?
There.
There?
Uh-huh.
Okay. How's that feel?
Feels good.
Okay, so we're just going to get this, because it's stuck right here. Feel that?
That felt good, yeah.
Yeah, that was great. That was really good. Nice motion now. Bring that one, that's it. Excellent.
That felt so good.
Feels good.
Yeah.
Okay, so just to recap everything that you told me, Angelina, is that you have, you've never been to a chiropractor before, right?
Yeah.
And you, back in May, you were walking tennis shoes and you turned your ankle and fractured the fibula head down here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so you, from that, you were walking out of balance, which created some imbalance that with your low back, and also you get frequent headaches, right?
Yes.
And you're a hairstylist, so it makes it a little difficult for you to keep your body balanced, right?
Correct.
So we went ahead and we did an exam. We did find that you had spinal bones out of alignment in your low back, in the mid back, and up your neck. And we're also, what we're going to do is we're going to check out the ankle and see how that's moving. So today what we'll do is we're going to take an x-ray, take a picture of posture, and adjust those spinal bones. And when that happens, then the brain will be able to start communicating with the whole body like it should. And when the body's in balance, and it gets stronger with things, okay?
Okay.
So ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay,
Thank
all right.
you.
So we're going to your elbows and step to your right. Good. Good. Don't move.
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go face down. I'm going to slide you out of these guys so you're comfortable. Feels like you hold the world up here.
I do.
Good. Feel that there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to bring this around. So line this side facing me. We're going to adjust the L5. And just relax this here. Straighten the bottom leg. And then bring it close to me. Now it's going to feel like you're going to fall off, but you won't. Okay? Straighten that bottom leg. Good. Okay, so here we go. So reel these in here. We're going to bring that one. That's it. Excellent.
That felt so good.
Feels good. Okay. Excellent. Now, let me check this one. Is there much tenderness on that fracture site?
Right a little bit.
In there
Right
or there?
There.
There?
Uh-huh.
Okay. How's that feel?
Feels good.
Okay, so we're just going to get this, because it's stuck right here. Feel that?
That felt good, yeah.
Yeah, that was great. That was really good. Nice motion now. You're going to feel a little different as you walk around on that. It's going to be much more free.
Nice.
That bone set perfectly. Now let's see how this is doing. Okay, so this is what feeds right into your shoulder. There we go. Good. This is a little more, deals with those headaches. Real easy. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, we're going to just traction this up. How are we doing here, okay? All right?
Mhm.
Good. Yeah, feel a little tug. Doing a great job relaxing for your first adjustment here. Beautiful. Now let's go face down. Very good. See how your body heats up?
Mhm.
This is kind of really, it's like we rebooted the whole thing. So let's do a straight leg raise on this side, then hold it. Straight leg raise on this, and hold it. Feel different?
Yes.
Much stronger, good. Let's sit up and face me.
From the first time, it's so different.
Right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Let's bring your left arm up and hold. Good. Try this one. And hold. There. Awesome. That's how it should be. So,
Yeah,
it's,
awesome.
so the body's balanced. Good job. All right. Power's on.
Thank you.
All right.